Scam, 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 written all over it. What do you think? Is Amazon giveaway a true giveaway or is a push to sell things at a discount? Tell me what you think. Hey guys, this is JoeteckTips from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be going over, is the Amazon giveaway a scam? A lot of these have 40% off, 20% off, 20, 15. If you do not win, you will get 30% off the product. I'm going to go through a couple of these things and see if I actually win. I've been doing this for a number of years, and I decided to record it today. So let's see if I actually win this. This will be very interesting to see if I do, but I do not. I've never won a thing. Ever, 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 ever. So I didn't win that one. No, I didn't win. Let's see if I win this one. No, I didn't win. Let's see if I won this one. Of course not. I mean, I've never won anything. Didn't win. Didn't win. See if I win this one. No, I didn't win. What a shocker. Who knows if it's truly real people winning? No, I didn't win. Look at that. What a shocker. See if I won this one. No, I didn't win. No, I didn't win. I've never won a thing. Have you? If you have ever won something on Amazon, not a gift card, not anything, like I'm talking about like legitimately an Amazon giveaway, please let me know. I'm dying to know. 10%, 15%, 30% off of a product so they can push their product for sales and no one really truly wins anything. Let's see if I won this one. No, I didn't win. What a shocker. See if I won this one. Didn't win. Look at the percentage off. Didn't win. What a shocker. Did I win this one? No, I didn't. What a shocker. But 40% off. Let's see if I win this one. I didn't win. What a shocker. I didn't win. What a shocker. See if I won this one. Didn't win this one. 10% off this one. No, I didn't win. You didn't win. Let's see if I won this one. I didn't win. Wow, 30% off. I didn't win. All right, I think I'm getting to the understanding that this seems like it could be a scam. No, this is a crappy remote control car. It's not even worth anywhere near $80. But let's see, $47. Yeah, I didn't win. See if I win these. I didn't win. Scam, 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 written all over it. What do you think? Is Amazon giveaway a true giveaway or is a push to sell things at a discount? If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,